Today we're in beautiful Seaside, Oregon, also the end of the Lewis and Clark Trail. This is our very first time in Seaside. They have a promenade, which I'll show you, and the reason that we came today is because they're having something called Sandfest, which is a festival where they have artists that are building sculptures out of sand. So that is down there somewhere, and I'm going to take you down there in just a second. But we found several other things here since we've been here that we didn't know about because we haven't done a lot of research on this town yet. So stick around and we'll share that with you. Before I do, this is a sculpture of Lewis and Clark to commemorate the end of their trail. And here is a little peek down Broadway, the main street here, with lots of shops and taffy and ice cream and all kinds of fun stuff, and a couple of the hotels that sit just next to that. There are tons of hotels here. I'll pan you around so you can see more of it. Just tons of hotels all over the place, so no shortage of places to stay. There are also lots and lots of dogs, as we've been very happy to see. This is the promenade, which they call the prom in Seaside, and it's 1.5 miles long. There's this little stretch of it that has restaurants and hotels and stuff, but a lot of it is just really residential too and beautiful. And we've come upon the Sandfest. Let's check out all of these cool sculptures. Hi YouTube, Autumn Beckman here. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My channel is all about luxury living on a budget, from high-end luxury handbags and small goods to the everyday luxuries of life. If that sounds interesting to you, please make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification icon to be notified when I post new videos, and be sure to like the videos that you enjoy. And one of the perks of subscribing to my channel is you get to see my community post on your YouTube homepage, where I post deals, discount codes, sales, and rare finds related to these beautiful things we love. Let's go check out Seaside. Tell me the truth, Paul.
Yes.
On camera for the world to hear. When we're in a public setting like this and I'm filming, do you ever feel embarrassed, like, there's my wife, the influencer?
Well, honestly, for the world to know, not really.
Expand on your correct answer.
I just know what she's doing, and I understand it. Maybe other people don't, but I'm not embarrassed by it. I see people doing a lot more embarrassing things than that every day. Probably me included.
By the way, yes, we did bring the dogs today, but we did not bring Vincent, even though she has a backpack. The high today is about 65 degrees. That would be too cold for her to be outside for an extended period, so she had to stay home, unfortunately. Roxy's fine. She's got a built-in fur coat. Poor Baron has to wear a sweater, though, so he doesn't freeze to death. you.